And what makes the data cloud possible is the combination of our platform and our content. And for today's purposes, I'm going to be focusing more and really specifically on the platform for developers. But I did want to show these elements and really how Snowflake is changing the way organizations think about using their data assets and really the strategic direction that we're headed and the progress that we've made in just a few short years. With the data platform itself, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, it is a combination of things much larger than just a data warehouse, including data lakes, application science, sitting on that common platform. No longer the need to take 15, 20 different services and try to put an architecture together. The same governance, the same security model, the same pricing model, consistent across all three of the major cloud providers across a variety of regions throughout the world. And if you really look at what Snowflake defines as a true cloud data platform and some of the requirements, the reason those workloads can happen in one environment is because of the architecture. The ability to have one platform with one copy of the data with many workloads, secure and governed access to all data all the time, near zero maintenance. It's simply not enough to pick a database up and move it to the cloud and call it a cloud data warehouse or a cloud data platform. Really, the ability for a platform to handle a lot of the administration and overhead is critical to becoming efficient and optimizing your data platform. And then ultimately, unlimited performance and scale. Paying for what you need when you need it by the second. Not only vertically, but also horizontally, as users can spike from a few dozen to a few thousand users and being able to handle that type of workload instantly. The ability to not have to worry about storage capacity and planning for that, knowing that Snowflake is going to be able to be elastic and grow with your needs. And when no longer needed, be able to shut down or purge data and no longer have to pay for it without any additional overhead or work on the company or the organization standpoint.